You work round the clock, do extra shifts, or build a business, and outperform your potential for the financial security of yourself and loved ones. But what if you are gone? According to world life expectancy, the rate of death in California due to accidents is 32.03 per 100,000. Yikes! Once you are gone, your assets will be treated like mere numbers on a blank page, with no consideration given to your wishes about how and to whom you want to distribute your assets. Sounds alarming, right? Let a living trust take your family under its umbrella of protection, with instructions set by you. Unfortunately, it cannot increase the number of days you have left, but it can certainly take care of your family and bypass probate when you are not there for them. A living trust is usually considered as a substitute for a will. Like a will, it directs how assets are going to be distributed. But a trust avoids probate. Probate is a process of passing the estate to heirs and beneficiaries under the supervision of the court when someone dies, with only a will or no will at all. On contrary, the power of a trust is its control. Let's say you put all the money or assets, like a home, financial accounts, car, or jewelry that you saved for your kids or even grandkids to your trust, and all this wealth will be dispersed to the beneficiaries at whatever age you decide, or even in annual increments. And unlike probate, a trust is private and prevents your assets from being a matter of public record. It can also be helpful in seamless asset management if the original owner of the wealth becomes mentally incapacitated or is unable to handle their affairs. One of the best things about having a trust is that it saves you money and time. Let's crunch some numbers. Probate process in California takes around 1 to 2 years on average, costing $2,000 to $3,000 just for initial filing fees and costs. Probate fees are based on the market value of the asset. For example, if the market price of your home is $1 million, the overall probate fees will be no less than $31,000. This applies even if you owe the bank $800,000. Having a trust by your side helps you avoid all these court and legal expenses, and also your time. So what are you waiting for? The clock is ticking. Just start estate planning and make your own trust comprising of some legal documents including revocable trust, your last will, power of attorney, advanced healthcare directive, etc. to ensure transparency in the trust distribution and give your family the security and peace of mind it rightfully deserves. Let's schedule a consultation session with us to make sure your plan gets drafted just as you want. No matter what your age is or how much assets you acquire, if you want a better and carefree future for your family, then you need to act today. Go to our website to learn more or call our office to schedule an appointment.